Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and in iOS 12, Apple released a new effects camera in the Messages app that brings us similar features that are generally found in apps like Snapchat or Instagram, and in this video we're going to take a look at some of those new features. In order to access the new Messages effects camera, you'll need to go into the Messages app and within a conversation, select the camera icon. Then select the star icon in the bottom right corner to access the effects camera. From here, you'll notice all of your editing tools such as various filters, text, shapes, stickers, and for those using an iPhone X, you'll also have access to Animoji and Memoji too. Animoji and Memoji will be the first option available to you and can be placed over your own face when using the front-facing camera of a device with a true depth camera system like the iPhone X. The Memoji and Animoji filter looks similar to what you might expect from a Snapchat filter, and because it uses the true depth system, the Animoji and Memoji stay lined up with your head while you move and talk, mimicking your facial expressions just like when you use Animoji in Messages. The next icon down the line is filters, and it offers 15 various styles ranging anywhere from a monotone black and white filter to my personal favorite, the comic book filter. Users can see these filters in real time to decide whether or not they would like to apply it before the photo is taken. The upper and lowercase a icon is of course reserved for text, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Users can add text to their own photos in various shapes or sizes. Speaking of shapes, that actually is the next scribbled line looking icon where you'll have access to 10 different animated shapes like arrows, scribbled lines, check marks, X's, and more. Unfortunately, there are no options to draw your own shapes, so you can only use the stock options. Shapes are static when used in photos, but will animate when used in videos. Finally, the rest of the icons displayed after the 4 initial icons are reserved for the sticker packs that you have installed. These sticker packs will vary based on your own downloads and apps, and it will look different for everyone. Like text and shape effects, stickers can be placed anywhere on the photo or video and resized using pinch gestures. You can drag the sticker anywhere on the photo and reposition it using the same gestures you would use to put stickers within iMessages. For stickers that animate, you will see the animations when using them in video mode, but there are no animations in photo mode. If you want to download more sticker packs, head back to your message conversation and select the App Store icon to open the drawer, and then select the blue App Store icon again to bring up the App Store. From here, you can browse various sticker packs that range anywhere from free to $1.99 on average. Using multiple effects for a photo or video is also possible by simply selecting multiple effects and adding them to your photo. So for example, here I'm using my Memoji and additional text, as well as a comic book style filter. If you wish to remove an effect, like the text seen in this photo, simply tap on the text and press the X to delete. With Snapchat and Instagram's popularity with filters like these, are you surprised that Apple has sort of followed suit with their own Messages app? Let us know your thoughts about the effects camera for the Messages app in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.